Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shasar Classes and Evershine Coaching Center. I am Shah Faisal here. My dear students and respected teachers, today I am going to give you the solutions for the Karnataka SSLC State Board Model Paper number 1, that is paper number 1 as per the revised reduced syllabus 2020-2021. It's my pleasure to help all the students in this pandemic and make every student to score the very good marks in the upcoming board exam. Let's begin with today's class. As you all know it, today recently the board has released the model paper number 1, that is paper 1 as per the core subjects. Today we are solving mathematics. As we can see here, the question number 1 here is, if a pair of linear equations 3x plus 2ky is equals to 2 and 2x plus 5y plus 1 is equals to 0 are parallel to each other, then the value of k is what? Here the correct answer is option A, 15 by 4. Next, come back to the next question, that is question number 2. The pair of equations 2x minus 5y plus 4 is equals to 0 and 2x plus y minus 8 is equals to 0 has. The correct option is option C, unique solution. Next, question number 3. The values of x and y when a point lies on the linear equation 2x minus 3y is equals to 12. The correct answer is option C, x is equals to 3, y is equals to minus 2. Next, question number 4. Identify the wrong statement with respect to a pair of linear equations. Here the correct answer is option B. If the lines are perpendicular to each other, then there is no solution. Next, question number 5. The 10th term of the arithmetic progression minus 3, minus 1, 1, 3 and so on is, the correct answer is option D, 15. Next, question number 6. The nth term of an arithmetic progression is given by an is equals to 7 minus 4n, then the common difference is, the correct answer is option B, minus 4. Next, question number 7. If 4, a, 28 are in arithmetic progression, then the value of b is, the correct answer is option A, 20. Next, question number 8. Two arithmetic progressions has the same common difference if the first term of the first progression is 3 and that of the other is 8, then the difference between their third term is, the correct answer is option D, 5. Next, question number 9. The sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression is given by the formula Sn is equals to 3n square plus n, then its third term is, the correct answer is option B, 16. Question number 10. The constant term in the quadratic equation 3x square minus 3 of 2x minus 4 is equals to 0 after reducing it to the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 is option D, 12. Next, question number 11. One root of the quadratic equation 2x minus 3 into x plus 5 is equals to 0 is minus 5, then the other root is, the correct answer is option C, 3 by 2. Next, question number 12. The nature of the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0 are, the correct answer is option A, real and equal. Next, question number 13. The sum of the squares of two consecutive odd numbers is 394. The mathematical equation for the above statement is, The correct answer is Option B, x square plus of 2 plus x plus 2 whole square is equals to 394. Next, question number 14. In the given figure, angle B is equals to 90 degree, AB is equals to 6 cm, BC is equals to 8 cm and AC is equals to 10 cm. Then the value of sine of 90 minus theta is. The correct answer is option D, 8 by 10. Next, question number 15. If 2 sine 2 theta is equals to root 3, then the value of theta is. The correct answer is option C, 30 degree. Next, question number 16. In a circle with center O, AC is a tangent at A. If OC is equals to 4 cm and angle ACO is equals to 30 degree, then the radius of the circle is. The correct answer is option C, 2 cm. Next, question number 17. Sin theta is equals to x by y, then cos theta is. The correct answer is option D, root of y square minus x square by y. Next, question number 18. If sin A plus sin square A is equals to 1, then the value of cos square A plus cos to the power 4A is. The correct answer is option D, 1. Next, question number 19. If origin is the midpoint of the line joining of the points A of 4, minus 6 and B of A, B, the values of A and B are equal to. The correct answer is option C, A is equals to minus 4 and B is equals to 6. Next, question number 20. The distance between the points A of x1, y1 and B of x2, y2 is given by the formula. The correct answer is option A, D is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Next, question number 21. If the points A of 1, 2, O of 0, 0 and C of A, B are collinear, then the correct answer is option B, 2A. B is equals to 2A. Next, question number 22. In the graph given, the length AB is. Option C, 3 units. Question number 23. A student scored 65 marks in first language, 50 marks in science, 55 marks in social science and some marks in mathematics. If the average marks scored by him in all the 4 subjects is 60, then the marks scored by him in mathematics is. The correct answer is option D, 70. Question number 24. The empirical relationship between the 3 central tendencies is. Option A, 3 median is equals to 1 mode plus 2 mean. Question number 25. In the given frequency distribution table, the median class is. Here, the correct option is option B, 20 to 30. Next, here the correct option is 30 to 40. Option C. Next, question number 26. In the triangle ABC, it is given that AB by AC is equals to BD by CD. If angle B is equals to 70 degree, angle C is equals to 50 degree, then angle BAD is. Dear students, here quite we are getting different answer. Maybe the options are wrong. Still we need to check it out with this part, because as we solve this problem, we are getting different solution. So I can let you know in the below description the solution for this question. Okay. Next, question number 27. In the given figure, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and angle ABC is equals to angle DEF is equals to 60 degree. Then the length of AC is. The correct answer is 2.6 centimeter. Option B. Option B, 2.6 centimeter is the correct answer. Next, question number 28. In the triangle ABC, D is parallel to BC. If AB is to AD is equals to 5:3, then the area of triangle ABC is to area of the triangle ADE is. The correct option is option D, 25:9. Next, question number 29. In the given figure, angle ABC is equals to 90 degree. BD is perpendicular to AC. If AB is equals to 6 cm, BC is equals to 8 cm, CA is equals to 10 cm, then the length of AD is. The correct answer is 3.6 cm. That is option B. Question number 30. The sides of some triangles are given below. Identify which does not form a right triangle. Here the question is which does not form a right triangle. So do remember, here out of these 4 options, here the question is which does not form the right triangle. Here the correct option is option C, 3 cm, 8 cm, 6 centimeters. Question number 31. 4 statements are given below. With respect to the tangents, the wrong statement is. Here the correct option is option A. There are exactly 2 tangents that can be drawn to a circle from a point lying outside the circle. Next, question number 32. In the given figure, PA and PB are the tangents to a circle with center O. If PA is equals to 5 cm and angle APB is equals to 60 degree, then the length of the chord AB is. Here the correct answer is option C, 5 centimeters. Next, question number 33. The angle between the 2 radius of a circle is 130 degree, then the angle between the tangents that drawn at the ends of the radii is. The correct option is option D, 50 degree. Question number 34. My dear students, still if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, Shah Sir Classes, do subscribe it. If not, you can see here there is a subscribe button. You can just click this and it will get automatically subscribed to the channel. And you can click the bell icon to find the latest updates and notifications from our end time to time. Wish you all the best of luck, and also we encourage you people to score the very good marks. And children, still if you have to score the very good marks, you have to see your potential by solving this paper. Okay, in what level you people are at present existed, you will get to know. So kindly I request you all to practice the questions not only these questions you have to concentrate, even you need to concentrate the other questions also. This is just a reference paper, this is just a model paper, as this is not your final board paper. Is this clear? And after watching this complete video, you can click the like button if you have liked our session, and also comment how was this class and what video you want to make me next. Now for this question, the correct option is option D, 10 cm and 11.5 cm. Next, question number 35. O is the center of the circle. The length of the tangent AB is equals to 24 cm, and if OA is equals to 25 cm, then the radius of the circle is. The correct answer and the option is option B, 7 centimeters. Question number 36. The curved surface area of a cylinder of radius r and height h centimeter is. Option D, 2 pi rh centimeter square. Next, question number 37. The relation between the slant height L and height h and the radius of the cone r is. The correct answer is option B, L square is equals to h square plus r square. Question number 38. The surface area of a sphere is 616 square meter. The surface area of the hemisphere is. The correct answer is option B, 308 centimeter square. My dear students, here it is not meter, it should be centimeter. Okay, you can just slightly change this SI unit here. Next, question number 39. The perimeter of the base of a right circular cylinder is 44 cm and its height is 10 cm, then its volume is. And children, if we are going to solve this problem, here we are getting just 440 cm cube. But still we are not sure why the pi option is being given here along with this answer. But according to this question, option B is the correct answer, but without pi. But still we rectify this mistake. What is the exact answer? Definitely we give it in our below description. Next, question number 40. Prepare a cone from model clay. When wet, cut it with a knife parallel to its base. Remove the smaller cone obtained. Then the solid left is option D. Frustum of a cone is the correct answer. I hope you all have liked this class and enjoyed the video, and you have marked these all key points. Wish you all the best of luck, and once again, if you people are interested to join for our regular online classes, the online classes opening is been opened, okay, and the classes are going on already, okay. Here we are just charging a very small amount. If you want any doubts related to this, okay, you can just contact to me as per the below description contact number, okay. We have already started the admissions for the next year batch 2021-2022. If any students are interested to join for our coaching classes for the next year batch as your juniors, you can suggest to them about our classes and even the channel. Wish you all the best of luck. Once again, I request you all to practice, okay, so that you can score the very good marks in the upcoming board exam. Thank you. Take care. Wish you all the best of luck. Bye bye.